Backups are not a checkbox, they're a decision, and most SMEs are making the wrong ones. Today I'll show you 3 backup myths that give owners a false sense of security and 3 quick checks you can run this week. Myth 1. If we have backups, we're safe. Most SMEs think backups are equal protection, but backups can be incomplete, inaccessible or corrupted, and you won't know until you try to restore something. So here's the real test. Restore one file from last month and time the process. If it takes hours or fails, that's not a backup. That's a promise you can't keep. Myth 2. Backups are automatic, so no one needs to own them. Automation is great until it hides failures. When no one owns backups, no one checks them. And you only discover a problem when you're already in trouble. The fix is simple. Assign a backup owner and give them a 10-minute weekly verification slot. That's just checking last night's backup ran, checking there was no errors, checking the offsite copy is up to date. 10 minutes, once a week, one person, one routine. Myth 3. Immutable backups are only for big companies. This one is dangerous. Attackers don't need to encrypt all your data. They can just delete your history. Immutable backups stop that. They're copies that can't be changed or deleted even by an attacker, and they're now affordable for SMEs. So add one of these, an off-site immutable copy or a write once snapshot for your critical data. It's the cheapest insurance you'll ever buy. Here's what happens when this goes wrong. A client had their daily backups and felt secure, so they never added an immutable copy. An attacker deleted the last 10 days, they lost 2 days of sales, and the recovery cost was 10 times that of the backup spend, and it damaged their relationship with their biggest client. One missing safeguard, that's all it took. Backups only protect you if they actually work. And these 3 myths show exactly where most SMEs get caught out. Restores that fail, automation no one checks, and backups attackers can delete. Fix these 3 areas and you remove almost all of your backup risk. If you want the free verification checklist and the incident report template I use with clients, comment checklist and I'll send it to you. For the full system for protecting your whole business, my Udemy course, IT Security for SMEs, is your solution. The link is in the comments. And keep simplifying your strategy.